Hi everybody. I have the final flip through for the old-fashioned ladies junk journal. This is a junk journal kit and tutorials. It ended up with 15 videos of every single step for making this journal and everything in it. So from the tassel and the paper clips to all of the pages, everything in here, adding the lace, all of it came in the kit, and all of it is shown how to do it in the 15 videos. So you also receive 3 digitals in the group where you pick up your 15 videos. Okay, so there's 3 digital pages that go along with the journal kit, and then you're able to use those however you want forever. Okay, so this is the journal that I made, and I had several follow along. There are still a couple of kits available, including one that is already has a cover, a stitched cover. You still have to go ahead and stitch it, and it's just held together with this. It was my backup, and so here we go. Let's go ahead and take a look at what you could be making with that kit. And yeah, so you get everything to make the cover. And it's a pink file folder. You get the sheet of ladies. They are graphic 45. There's some beautiful wedding lace and bling. Okay, you're also going to be able to make a little journal. So the only thing is you're going to have to copy your the digitals and that are being used throughout. She's one of the digitals. And the cardstock to make this journal, and a copy paper that you'll want for your notebooks and things like that. So, so you have this little notebook. We have a little pocket here. We have a little pocket here with a little notebook. And so, just going to go through and show you some of the things. And then got tabs. We have this little bookmark. You have your flip out, a flip up. This beautiful image. She's one of the digitals. Yeah, this is also one of the digitals. Okay, so you get the page side by side. And then the stamp, that was from a digital. You get to make this little notebook. So there ends up being lots of places to write in this journal. And pretty little roses. This is one of the digitals. Paper clip, one of the digitals, flip flop, and a flip up, a lace flip, another little journal, tiny one, a choker guest check. This is a belly band, your signature ties. Pages, flashcard, beautiful Eiffel Tower note paper, another stamped little card, another tab. This is another one of the digitals. And remember, you're going to get the instructions on how to do all of this. Another digital. nice flip. Another digital. And this is a card you open. You can take the paper clip off, and you have a place to put something here, and you can write here as well. So you can write on the back of this card and on the envelope here. This beautiful card. You can write there. Another belly band. This is one of the cards from inside of a photo box. And it ended up, we made a pocket with the Eiffel Tower card, and then it just sits in this top tuck. So it's beautiful. Then you can still write on here. You can write on the back page here. This is one of the digitals, the grungy pink. And you have a paper clip here. Another one of the tabs. This is another one of the paper clips. And you end up with some extra paper there. Little pocket down here. A large note paper and a variety of other note papers here. And that is the back of your journal. And so this journal here, the finished journal, is available in my Etsy shop, as well as the kit. Okay, so one of the kits that has the cover finished, and then you get all of your lace and your findings. And I've cut this out of there, so but we use all the pieces of this. This is some more pieces of your file folder. Oh, your paper clip is already made. So there's your findings and your extra fabric. This is your findings bag. And more paper and all of this. This is the one that the cover is finished. So it will be put together and ready to ship. And then and that'll be in the ship shop. And as well as our finished old-fashioned ladies. So we'll have an old-fashioned ladies finished journal, an old-fashioned ladies journal kit that includes the 15 videos and the 3 digitals and the kit that has the cover that is ready for you. Okay, so go on over to the Dear Julie Etsy shop and check that out. I'll put the description, or I'll put the address link to that in the description box down below. And also there's a playlist down there for flip-throughs of other journals that I have made. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day. Bye. Bye-bye.